certain way, you gotta do it.
Yeah, or I'm playing on all my kids. They gone. She said my kids over here talking about fuck them kids, not knowing they next. Fuck them kids. Yes, Evelyn, I'm okay.
Rabble Rabble show, I got chat to them, I made them chat for it. Rabble Rabble, you don't know say the one and only National Rabble Danger, and on this platform we do things different. Rabblings, if the average Jamaican step out right now and said them hate the mother, we will see the mother as a victim and say that child or the pitney them wicked, don't it? Agree or disagree, make me know. Rabblings, I'ma say that for say this, I'ma always say it. People will be people, and we are human beings before we can be anything else, don't it? Free this, what's a child without a mother's love? Make me know. What you think that child would come to be in life? Rabblings, did you know that millions of children get abandoned yearly? Right now, this story that I'm about to break, Rabblings, mothers like this disgust me. Some people is about certain life and they cannot be changed. Rabble Rabble, straight Rabblings, spray this. Not every mother is a mother. You best believe it. Perfect example.
Fuck out of here. But yes, like I said, they came and got them bitches. Ah! Shay, they gone. Them bitches gone. Them bitches is gone. All 7 of them. It's a party. It's a party. It's a party. Hey, it's a party. It's a party. It's a party. Hey. Okay, y'all, for real, I'm finna get the credit. They took my kids. Girl, yes, them kids was bad as fuck anyway. Fuck them kids. Veronica, for real. Fuck them kids, girl. Fuck them kids. I keep letting my shit go out. What's up, cuz? They came and got them kids. What's up, cuz? Delilah. What's up, Key? Cuz? Dog. Francois. I don't even know if I be saying that right. But I'm fucking crying too because they came and got the motherfuckers. It's the happiest day. About ass and pussy, my type of lie. They came and got them motherfuckers. They came and got them. Do you hear me? You hear me, Willie? Motherfuckers believe anything. But they came and got them, though. They came and got them. Happiest day of my life.
Damn, bro, I'm in the house. I'm in the right
I'm talking about, I should have took a picture of them motherfuckers when they was leaving out the door. I should have recorded. I should have recorded. Yes, Marie, they really think so. So, actually, now listen though. Boy, head hoe shit all summer. Fuck them kids. Fuck them kids. What is y'all mad for? Y'all mad because I didn't want my kids. Like, them motherfuckers came up out of me. I got a right to want them or get rid of them. And I got rid of them motherfuckers. The fuck? Y'all right. I knew what I was doing the whole time. I motherfucking went live and embarrassed myself on purpose so y'all can call them people so they can come get these ugly ass motherfucking kids. And guess what? It worked. It didn't even take them a whole 3 weeks to come get them motherfuckers. They came and got them. They gone. And I'm happy. Nigga. I'm drinking. I'm smoking. And them kids gone. Fuck them kids. For real. Fuck them. Let's make some more. No, you gonna be a single motherfucking daddy. You gonna be a single motherfucking daddy.
And they got a
you gonna be a single motherfucking daddy. I'm not having no more fuck. Hashtag fuck them kids. I need everybody to hashtag fuck them kids. Hashtag fuck the. I'm not playing, baby. Andrea, I'm not playing. Girl, how do I get them to come get mine? Girl. My nigga, inbox me. Inbox me. I'll tell you how to get rid of them motherfuckers quick, fast. I will tell you how to get rid of them motherfuckers quick, fast. Because they came and got mine. Latrice, you want them to... They coming. How many you got? They need to come. Sharita, you want yours gone too? All right, inbox me. Them motherfuckers good as gone. I have them come get them tomorrow. Shatoria, I'm serious as a motherfucker on a period trying to get fucked. I don't want them kids. Fucking toys without them kids trying to bust down my door. Fuck them kids, Lanisha. I'm serious as a heart attack. Fuck them kids. Fuck them kids. Y'all think I'm... Dog, they don't understand, dog. It's fuck them kids. And whoever think motherfucking shit sweet. And if y'all want to fight, we can fight about it. Fuck them kids. The rate you're going, you probably have 7 more in 2 years. Adam, you right. I'm finna pop this pussy on a real nigga and have 7 more kids. And I'm gonna get rid of them bitches too. Yeah, I'm playing on all my kids. They gone. She said my kids over here talking about fuck them kids, not knowing they next. Fuck them kids. Yes, Evelyn, I'm okay. I might lose them food stamps, but so what? I'm mad. I had 6 kids. Listen, you shouldn't have had the motherfuckers. You shouldn't have nutted in me. Period. And that's just that. That's just that. That's just the fuck that. Dog, I'm crying. I'm crying. I should have just got my tubes tied. Nope, I'm finna have 7 more and get rid of them bitches too. For real, fuck them kids. Yes, I'm the lady that didn't finish this girl hair, and I got my 7 kids took because I didn't finish her hair. They came and got the motherfuckers. My top lip probably glossy because when I hit the blunt, I don't know, shit. It's all over the wood. That's why. That's why we need our kids back. Matter of fact, fuck it, pass the blunt. Man, fuck them kids. Come smoke, baby daddy. Get my lurking for y'all. This is a lie. She only got 1 daughter. Who the baby daddy? Which one? They both sit right here. Both my baby daddies in one room at the same damn time. Both my baby daddies. Cause they didn't want them either. Shit.
Look, we gotta.
I just took out the drug. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Come on.
Listen, I don't gotta try to act small. Listen, baby, cause let me tell y'all something. Ain't nothing small about me. I'm a big bitch with 7 motherfucking kids that the people came and got. Let me pull my Fashion Novas down. That coochie ain't smiled since that hair video. Y'all don't listen. Listen. Do y'all think I care about being big? Y'all think I care about having a fupa? Shit, it's there. It's up there. It's stuck there. Shit, I like to motherfucking eat. I just came from eating. Yes, that unfinished head got me stressing. I fucked around and made them come get the motherfucking kids. Find out you the one who needed help from jump. Yes, I needed help because listen, I had 7 kids. Listen, 7 of them motherfuckers, and I got like It's hard being a single mom with 7 kids, and the baby daddies only come around when they want to fuck. Like, that shit hard as fuck. But I mean, I made it do what it do for, you know, as long as I could. But then after that shit, they came and got them. What can you do?
Rabble Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, yeah. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Straight Rabblings.